Hello and welcome to Royal FX Trading. My name is Zubeyr Farah. Today our topic is Forex market structure. We will talk about how market structure works in this market, and first we will talk about how market structure actually works. Guys, market structure is the key of this market. Okay, once you are able to read the price action, and that means you master the game. So the game is yours. So market structure, if we deeply explain what it is, market structure is the wave form of the market, the movement of the market, which creates higher highs and higher low points in an uptrend, and also lower low and lower highs as it moves in downtrend. So if there are some times the market actually not moving, okay, so if the market is not trending or moving, we say it is in consolidation or it is in ranging. So this is an example. So when it's consolidation or ranging, actually how it looks like, and I will show you in a real practice. So now guys, actually you see me so many times that I am analyzing the market. Actually our strategy is based on trend line, and of course we also trade the pure market structure. So first let's talk about uptrend and downtrend market. So if you see this picture, you can see downtrend market. So that means every time the market moves, it forms lower low. So, and this is how the market moves. Actually, you can see move, impulse, another move, it forms a lower low than here. And then actually how does the market forms as a downtrend. The second one is uptrend. You can see every time the market moves, it forms a higher high and higher low. So guys, when you see these impulses, that means every time the market, whether it's uptrend or downtrend, actually is forming the movement that first the market gives us is called impulse, and the second one we are getting a correction. So this one we call a bearish flag or bearish continuation, as you know. So the second one is a bullish flag, and you can see we are getting impulse, then again correction, and we are getting another impulse. So this how every time the market moves, you can see impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, and every time it moves up. So that's why it makes higher high and higher low. So guys, this market Forex, of course, let's say you found first whether the market is uptrend or downtrend. Okay, second thing we are looking is reversal chart patterns. So actually let's say this pattern is called double bottom. You see me, I'm using this many times, and even I'm drawing in real practice. If you look our analysis, so that means double bottom is it looks like this, and we are forming double bottom here, and here we have little ascending channel, and then this is where we are selling the market. So double bottom is when you are selling the market. So this pattern is one of the reversal patterns in the market. The second opposite one is a double bottom. Okay, this one is formed at the bottom, and we are getting here another descending channel, and then this is how the market moves in a uptrend. So another guys reversal patterns include, one is ascending channel. Okay, ascending channel is, guys, when we get ascending channel in a trend line like this, we get three moves like this inside the trend line. So that means we are selling this market. The opposite one is a descending channel. You see me, I'm using these patterns many times. If you look all my analysis, you can see I'm using these all patterns. This one is a descending channel, and then we are getting an uptrend market. The second one, the other pattern, guys, is a head and shoulder. Many of you knows maybe on his shoulder, and this is how actually his shoulder forms. So when you look head and shoulder, guys, head and shoulder is not like a big deal. It's like just impulse, correction, another impulse. Okay, so this one is when we are it forms in a downtrend market, and this one is an uptrend market. So guys, in my opinion, these patterns are the most important patterns that you will every time see in the market. So once you get of course once you practice this a lot, guys, you will see every second and every single day. So this is really important, guys. Really, if you master these patterns, I believe that you will be succeed in this market. And of course, now I will show you a real example, guys. So if we now if I show you a real example, guys, one example is, I think, is enough for JPP JPY. So if you look here for JPP JPY, you can see, okay, the market right now is uptrend. So now let's look how many patterns, okay, we are getting in the market. First, you can see the market, right? Every time the market moves here, okay, let me draw you here. Yes, every time the market moves, we are getting correction, another higher high. You see how the market actually moves. So this is called uptrend, guys. Okay, this is an uptrend market. So now I want to show you, okay, I want to show you the patterns I show it right now. So one example is, okay, let me cut here the market in order to show you as a real explanation. Yes, okay. So one example, guys, is this one. Let me draw you. This one is a reverse pattern, and if I draw here our trend line, okay, you will see it clearly. Okay, so yes, so that means here, guys, we have double bottom actually, and then we get this descending channel. Okay, so that means now this pattern forms as the moves the market uptrend. So, and exactly if you compare to this one that I showed you right now, here you can see it in a better way. Is almost the same. Okay, you see, it's almost the same. This is called double bottom. So, and another thing I want to show is how the market moves at the ends. Okay, so a lot of you knows this pair is JPP JPY. We have been analyzing JPP JPY starting from 3rd January 2024, and you can see, guys, in 2 weeks, today is 18 January 2024, you can see that we are almost 1000 pips. Okay, and you can see this was our first entry. I shared with you guys in my previous analysis, if you can watch the videos, and then you can see we get impulse, and then we get another correction here, which is now we are in 4-hour time frame. And then when we see this correction, we realize that the market will continue in an uptrend. Okay, and then we get the second entry here. What happened next was we get another correction here. After that, we get a little impulse correction, and then our third entry. And today, which is 18 January, 2 hours, okay, from now, we get our fourth entry. Okay, so guys, you can see how solid, like the pure structure we have in here. And all of these, guys, look, all of this, every time you see the market moves, guys, okay, let me cut you here, like it's a symbol, guys, it's a symbol. Okay, you get impulse, then you are getting correction. Okay, after correction, boom, you are expecting another impulse. Okay, if the correction is just 20%, Okay, so this is how actually the market forms. Okay, so and now I believe as now JPY moving our fourth entry is a really pure uh, is an amazing entry point. So it's almost now 58 pips, but totally we are expecting 217 pips. So let's see how it runs. So guys, I think this is the end of the video. I wanted to share with you how the market forms, and of course I'm planning this year guys to release a full course about Forex market, and I will explain to you everything step by step. So a lot of you really requested like to teach the strategy that I use. So guys, the market is simple once you understand. I know like there are thousands strategies that everybody use. So some of them they trade an ICT, some of them they use trend line like me. So I have been using a trend line the past 4 years, and actually of course it works, and every strategy it works. It depends on you how much do you understand, how much discipline you have in this market. So I hope guys, whatever strategy that you use, okay, your goal is to make money in this market. So and I hope I will release this course very soon. Stay tuned, and always follow me on my Telegram channel. I'm sending the signals there, so any update about this the market, I'm always guys sharing with you every week. So, and of course our goal for this year guys is to reach more than 100,000. My goal is to help more than 100,000 traders, and I hope everybody will follow on my journey. And please subscribe to our channel every update in order to miss any update. So see you guys.